Fight for brokerages takes hours, phone calls, emails, manual negotiation. This system does it all in seconds with 8 AI agents. Quote, negotiate, contract, human approval, payment, all automated. Let's see that how it starts from the quotations to negotiation, contract block, epic payment, and finally summary. So it starts with a quotation, then the negotiation, contract log, and payment, and finally we are getting the summary. This is built with Google ADK, Vertex AI Gemini, Google Agent CLI, and OpenCode. Let me show you how it covers all 5 days of the AI agent course. So there are 8 agents are involved, which are based on the 3 protocols: A to A, agent to agent negotiation, AP2 agents payment protocols, A to UI, agents to UI representation. Every agent loads a 3-layer of harness, a .agi YAML file, skill contracts, Python runtime. That's the spine connecting the entire course. So foundation agents that we can go to see how we have implemented using the quotation. This is an agent with 4 tools: rank vendors, compute margin codes, check compliance, sanitize text, and then margin formula indeterministic. Customer price equals to vendor cost divided by 1 minus 0.12. The LLM never touches the math, it enforces in Python. This is how we complete the foundational agents. It could see that a 140 test confirm everything works offline without the API key. And you could able to see the dashboard where 8 agents taking to each other. Commerce agent negotiates with 3 KDI agents via A to A. Intent mandate logs the budget, guard mandate the records the agreed rate. Human supervisor agent produces a structured decision summary, then Stripe payment, and then vendor receipts. Let me show you the architecture. Starts with these commerce agents and then KDI agents negotiating vendor receipt payment, then it updates the UI. This is how all these 8 agents are talking to each other. What different guardrails are implied over here: margin protection, prompt injection defense, trajectory evaluator, human in the loop escalations. And we always get to see like how that agent to agent offers, how that it talks to broker agents and accepting that rate which is within that rule. Imposing the different kind of autonomous loop engineering to make sure like a evaluator vendor evaluates compliances and a meta loop for to check the guys in the cycle. Before and after, how we the manual process takes a long hours and it comes down to a few seconds, less than a seconds to complete that. What are the different agents? Let's see. It starts with orchestrator, quotation decision, vendors negotiation, commerce and payment, page stat and value, human in the loop, checks those data, and finally Stripe and Plaid takes care of the payment process, and finally it updates on the UI. This audit, it takes care all these different data points to see whether all these agents are working